These are two types of steps in Samba. Two types of steps. 80% of Samba, you'll have rhythm like this. 1, A2, 3, A4, 1, A2. There is steps, though, in Samba which have slow, quick timing. So they're not going to have that ta-ta. So like this one step at the end, called Samba Rocks, you go slow, quick. So you're just a little bit more smooth. Quick. So it doesn't have that fast. Slow is more drifty. Quick, slow. Quick, slow.
I got it.
Yeah, no more ah. Go slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, 1, A2. Boom, yeah. So it's gonna be, yeah, so some steps gonna be like this. So this at the end is like this, but you see 90% of your routine has A2, A2, A2. So what it means A2, that you go 1 full beat and then you go da-da, 1, da-da, 1, da-da. And you notice I'm not on 1, I'm not frozen. 1, so we're doing that by 1, no 1, not this, forward. So go 1, absorb, da-da, 1, da-da, 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 1, da-da, 1, da-da, slow, quick, slow, quick. This one doesn't have it. Got it?
Yes.
So that's gonna be your full routine. So try with the music, the whole thing. So that's a nice basic routine which we can do competitions with you actually. And you see judges, if you go competition, of course you want to have pretty dress and this, but if you want to score high, yeah, you want to be on the beat as precise as you can. Then you want to build beauty. How to build beauty? Your rib cage, shoulders down, so you get a little bit taller, like this. Yeah. Then you dance a little bit, use your feet as you do the beat, and then as you dance your feet to your beat, then you can already do a little bit actions, and then you have a nice product. But now for your goal, if you can just the whole routine, match the music, we are good. If you can, have a nice posture as you do it, because it's always help. Kum ta-ta, 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 kum ka kum ka kum ka kum ka kum ka kum kum ta-ta, kum ta-ta, kum together and back, together and back, kum ka. Yeah, so let's do it at the end. Yeah, but it was very good. It was very good. Yeah. And you see, with fast music, you're gonna have much easier time now. So let's do